Hello everyone. As a Samsung product consultant, today I have a brand new device on my desk that reshuffles the deck in the wireless audio world. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4. It's no longer just an accessory we use to listen to music. It has evolved into a personal assistant equipped with AI that detects our head movements. We will leave no feature unexplained today. If you're ready, let's dive deep into this technological marvel. Let's start with the design language. Samsung brings us the new open-type ergonomics in the Buds 4 series, engineered by analyzing thousands of ear structure data points. The first thing that catches our eye is the flatter, more compact stem design compared to previous generations. Thanks to this, it stays much more stable in the ear. On the charging case side, there's a nostalgic yet futuristic touch. A transparent lid design. Now you can see your earbuds without even opening the case. Additionally, our device comes with an IP54 certification, meaning it's fully protected against dust and water splashes. You can use it with total peace of mind during your most intense workouts. Let's get to the heart of the earbuds, the sound quality. The Galaxy Buds 4 are equipped with 11mm dynamic drivers. Thanks to SSC Hi-Fi and UHQ codec support, you get lossless, high-resolution studio-quality audio. With 360 audio support, you'll feel the sound enveloping you from every angle while watching a movie. Call quality is nothing short of a revolution. Each earbud features 3 high-sensitivity microphones and a VPU, or voice pickup unit. The true expertise comes into play right here. AI-powered environmental noise cancellation. Even if you are outdoors on a windy day or in a noisy cafe, the AI isolates your voice from the background and transmits it crystal clear to the person on the other end. Active noise cancellation works adaptively and very successfully, despite this being an open-type earbud. But the real magic that sets the Buds 4 apart from its competitors is the head tracking control feature. Yes, you heard that right. Are your hands full when your phone rings? You can answer the call by simply nodding your head up and down, or reject it by shaking your head side to side. You can even dismiss your morning alarms with a quick head movement. On the physical control side, we have pinch control and touch swipe on the stems, meaning you can instantly adjust the volume or skip tracks with simple pinch and swipe gestures. Now for my favorite part as a product consultant, the ecosystem and Galaxy AI integration. The Buds 4 comes with the brand new Bluetooth 6.1 standard. This offers us incredibly low latency and a flawless, seamless connection. In addition to Bixby, the device now supports the Gemini AI assistant natively. Thanks to Galaxy AI's interpreter feature, you can instantly hear what someone speaking a foreign language is saying, translated directly into your own language, right through your Buds 4. Additionally, with Auracast technology, you can broadcast audio from a single device to multiple Buds 4 simultaneously. And with Auto Switch, you experience the ultimate comfort of your earbuds automatically switching to your phone when a call comes in while you're watching a movie on your tablet. So, how do all these heavy-hitting features affect the battery? Despite its compact design, the Buds 4 has exceptional power management. With ANC off, it offers 7 hours of use on a single charge, and a total of 30 hours with the charging case. Even with ANC constantly on, you easily get 6 hours on a single charge and 25 hours in total. Moreover, both Type-C fast charging and wireless charging come standard out of the box. To sum it up, with its premium hardware, adoption of the latest standards like Bluetooth 6.1, deep Galaxy AI integration, and innovative features like head movement controls, the Galaxy Buds 4 is much more than a standard pair of earbuds. It is a flawless choice for those seeking the ultimate premium ecosystem experience. What do you guys think of these new features? Would you use the head movement controls in your daily life? Let's discuss in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for the most professional reviews in the Samsung world. See you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.